Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, a beautiful garden is more than just flower and plants. Small decorative touch can make your outdoor space feel warm and relaxing. Start by adding colorful flower pots. You can paint all pot with a bright color or simple pattern to give your garden a cheerful look. Wooden planters are another great ideas. They add a natural style and look beautiful with flower, herb or small green plants. You can also recycle all items like bucket, tires, teapots and water. You can paint them in your favorite color and turn them into unique plant holder. Weavers, my next idea is weavers. Friends, creating a lovely garden path, use stones, brick or wooden slides. A simple path will make your garden look neat and welcome. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Friends, so viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the more latest updates, friends. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers. See you in the next video.